Ito ang unang inyong dapat pagpahalagahan. The first thing, especially new believers, young people, okay? One of the first things that you must appreciate and value is this: our teachings, our doctrines. Dalawa kahulugan ng makaapostol. Una, pag sinabing makaapostol, ayon sa aral, kilos at buhay ni Kristo. Referring to the teachings and life of Jesus. So pag sinabing, are you apostolic? It is similar to saying, are you Christ-like? Why? Kasi Jesus was the first apostle. So to be apostolic is to be Christ-like. Number 2, apostolic means according to the teachings and customs of the apostles of Jesus. Yun ang pangalawang ibig sabihin ng makaapostol. Ayon sa turo at kostumbre, tradisyon ng mga apostol na tinawag ni Kristo. Kaya sa tanong na ang PMCC Portwatch ba ay makaapostol? Ang sagot ay